Our Indonesia customer bought a full set of charcoal making machines for commercial charcoal production. In front of a rotary dryer, they built a hot air stove to heat the dryer. Wood, branches, and coal can be used as fuel for the hot air stove. The screw conveyors in the line are mainly used to deliver materials automatically. The rotary dryer machine they bought with a length about 10 meters, which can dry fast and has higher working efficiency. The production capacity of this set of charcoal machine is very large, which can make 3 tons of final charcoal in a day. They set 5 charcoal briquette machines to make pinicky and a flue gas purification equipment to collect and filter the flue gas. They set the carbonization furnace outside and collect the pinicky for carbonizing. This is good feedback from our clients. Welcome you to visit our charcoal machine factory.